One of the main reasons that a lawnmower won't start at the beginning of the season is because of fuel that's been left in the fuel tank and in the carburetor over winter. Because as well as dirt and debris in the fuel that can accumulate, moisture is also a problem. And when the moisture gets into the fuel, it lies at the bottom. And if there's enough in the fuel tank or the carburetor, then obviously when you go and try and start the lawnmower, it's likely to suck some of that water into the engine. And of course, at the very least, the engine will have running problems and it may not even start at all. Just empty your fuel tank, pull off the fuel pipe at the bottom, drain your fuel tank, and if you have a float bowl type carburetor, just drop the float bowl off and let the fuel out. Just check the spark plug. Have a look at the end. I'll put the end of the plug back into the plug cap and ground out the other end of the plug onto the engine's body and turn over the engine and just see that it sparks. If you're looking at the spark, you may need someone just to turn over the engine for you. I do hope though that it starts and you've got no problem.